Whoa! Wait a minute. What is that black thing lying on the green grass? Look at this, Lily. It is a small black wallet on the ground. Wow! Somebody dropped their wallet while walking on the grass today. Open it quickly, Leo. Maybe there is a lot of money for candy. No, Tom. We absolutely cannot do that. It is completely wrong. Leo is totally right. This is not our personal wallet to look inside, Tom. I found it. I think I know what we should do. What is it, Leo? Tell us. My mom and dad always teach me to be a very honest boy. You are right. What should we do with this black wallet now? Can you help us figure out what to do next, my dear friends?
Yes, friends. Should we keep this wallet or give it back to the owner?
All right, let's try this. Oh, I think I see it. Wait, there it is. That is exactly correct. We must find the real owner of this wallet. Let us take it directly to our favorite teacher, Mr. Smith.
That is a very good idea. He is standing over there by the big tree.
Mr. Smith, we found this wallet. Do you know who it belongs to? We wanted to give it back.
Hello, kids. Are you enjoying your wonderful playtime in the schoolyard today?
Yes, Mr. Smith. But we just found something very important on the ground.
Hello, Mr. Smith. We really need your help with something important right now.
I found this small black wallet lying on the grass over there.
Oh my goodness. Please let me see that black wallet right now, Leo.
Thank you so much, Leo. You are a very honest and good boy.
Do you know whose wallet this is, Mr. Smith? Can you find them?
Let's go look inside to find out, Leo.
Let me open it carefully to look for an identity card inside.
Oh, I see it now. This wallet belongs to a teacher in our school. Really? Which teacher dropped their important wallet on the grass today?
I think I know who it might belong to. Let's go return it.
It belongs to Mrs. Sarah. She is the nice math teacher.
Oh no. She must be feeling very worried about her lost wallet right now.
Yes, losing a wallet is a very bad and scary feeling for anyone. You two are going to have an amazing first day.
Thanks, Mr. Smith. Let's go!
We will come with you, Mr. Smith. We want to help you find her.
Okay, I understand.
Let's go. We really want to make sure Mrs. Sarah is happy and smiling again.
Let us walk down this long hallway very quickly to look for her.
I am looking carefully, but I do not see Miss Sarah in the library. Where could she be right now? Can you see her anywhere, my friends?
Look over there. Someone is standing near the door of the teacher's room.
You are absolutely right, Tom. That person standing there is Mrs. Sarah. Excuse me, Miss Sarah. Are you looking for something important today?
Oh, hello, Mr. Smith. Yes, I am feeling very upset right now.
I understand, Miss Sarah.
I suppose I'll have to deal with it. I lost my black wallet somewhere in the school this morning. It has all my money and all my very important personal cards inside.
Please do not be sad anymore, Miss Sarah. We are here to help.
We have a very big and happy surprise for you today.
A big surprise for me? What do you mean, my sweet children?
Leo found something very special in the schoolyard when we were playing.
Yes, I did.
Oh my goodness, yes, that is exactly my black wallet. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I am so incredibly happy right now. Thank you very much, sweet Leo.
You are very welcome, Miss Sarah. Please check your black wallet carefully now.
Let me open it quickly and see if everything is still safely inside. Yes! All my money and my very important cards are perfectly safe here.
We are so extremely glad that you are not sad anymore today, teacher.
You did a completely wonderful and brilliant job today, dear Leo and Lily.
My wonderful mom and dad always tell me to do the right thing.
You are a perfectly honest young boy, Leo. I am very, very grateful.
We should definitely tell the school principal about this great and honest action.
Yeah, that's a great idea, Mr. Smith. He'll be so proud. Yes! Everyone in the entire school really needs to know about this story.
That is a truly brilliant idea, Tom. Let us go tell him immediately.
Oh, I am feeling a little bit nervous and shy about that now.
Do not be shy, Leo. Being completely honest is a huge, wonderful achievement.
I will personally walk with you to the principal's big office right now.
Good morning, absolutely everyone. Welcome to our very special school assembly this morning.
I really wonder why the school invited our family to come here today.
I truly do not know, honey. But I am feeling very, very excited.
Welcome, everyone. I have some news to share.
Today, we are here to celebrate a very special and completely honest student. This sunny morning, a brave student found a lost black wallet outside today. Instead of keeping the money, he immediately gave it back to the owner. Can you guess who this amazingly honest student is today, my dear friends?
Oh my goodness! Is the nice principal talking about our dear son, Leo?
I really think he is. Look at Leo standing bravely on the stage.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here tonight.
Please give a huge round of applause for our wonderful student, dear Leo.
Hello, absolutely everyone. I am feeling very happy and very proud this morning.
Here is a very special certificate of honesty just for you today, Leo.
Thank you so much, Mr. Principal. I really appreciate this lovely golden award.
Thank you all so much. I'm truly honored.
We are all incredibly proud of you in our great school today, Leo.
Way to go, Leo! You are my absolute best friend forever and ever.
Oh, sweet Leo. We are so unbelievably proud of you right this minute.
You truly remembered our important family lesson about being a very good person.
Yes, dear Dad. I always remember what you and Mom teach me every day.
Come here and give me a very big and warm hug, my sweetie.
You are truly growing up to be a completely wonderful young man today.
Thank you, my lovely Mom and Dad. I love you both so much.
What a perfectly happy and beautiful ending for everyone in our school today.
Good evening, everyone. We're so happy to be here.
My dear friends, what would you actually do if you found a wallet? Would you safely keep it or happily give it back to the owner? Always remember to be completely honest and always do the right thing, friends.
Honesty truly makes your heart feel very happy and peaceful every single day.
We really hope you learned a great English lesson with our happy family.
Please definitely leave your wonderful answers in the comment section down below today.
Do not forget to gently like this video and beautifully subscribe to us.
Happily share this beautiful story with your sweet family and your best friends.
We will absolutely see you in our next incredibly fun English learning adventure.
Yeah,